In small towns across the nation, food truck owners need dependable power to run their trucks in remote situations. One such owner is Rose Williamson, located in Tomball, Texas, who owns Bad Azz Chicken and Waffles food truck here at 403 Eat, a hometown gathering of food trucks.
Hello, my name is Rose Williamson. I am the owner and operator of Bad Azz Chicken and Waffles. Today we're talking about DuroMax, and I have indeed used one of these guys for a long time. Hamburger, waffle, all right, here you go, sweetheart. They're very important if you have a food truck and you happen to be remote, in a remote area. These guys definitely come in handy if there's no electrical outlet. They're quiet. You don't necessarily have to speak loud to speak over, your customers. Again, I think it's a must-have, really, if you own a food truck. It's important. And this brand, I love it. Absolutely.
DuroMax generators are essential for food trucks, providing mobility, equipment power, and flexibility. They enable seamless operation in diverse locations, ensuring uninterrupted service without relying on external sources. From enhancing the customer's experience to weathering any storm, generators are the silent heroes that keep food trucks running smoothly in any circumstance.
Anytime you want to take the day off and let us cook for you, you're welcome.